We're here at Daffodil Ranch in beautiful Trenton, Tennessee, and I saw something about a pineapple. My sister lives in Hawaii. I sent her a video about a way to do this without all them little weirdo gadgets you buy at the store. So let's give it a shot and see if this really works. If not, it's just good entertainment. It says you're supposed to take this puppy here, twist, and get rid of it. So, bye. And then you're supposed to pound it while rotating. This is stupid. But let's see if it works.
What are you doing to my counter? Everything's bouncing.
Then you're supposed to be doing these hard rolls.
Really, Jim?
Yeah, that's what it said. You know, if it's on the internet, it must be true.
Maybe you should do that on the deck so you don't shake my counter.
So there you go. You do this a few times. Pushing down and rolling. Knead the bread. Pounds.
Oh! All right.
Hold on.
All right.
We're almost there. Pounds. We do this again.
It's gonna hurt you. Oh.
And then we roll it some more. One more time. Oh, different feel. Must be working. If not, we have surgical implements to handle the rest of it.
Oh.
One more time on this. Now, according to this video, the pineapple should be ready to go. How would I do this? Well, you take these fish scales and you're supposed to pull them out, and they're not working. So this is a letdown. Maybe I was supposed to beat it up on concrete. Oh, here we go. Once you get one or so, nope, that didn't work. I don't know. Guess it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to let my wife cut it up.
No.
All right,
This is your
the
baby.
next go around, the label on the big old topper that I ripped off said that you're supposed to cut it in half.
Well, that's a third.
Yeah, well, I was never good at math. And then you cut it again like this.
Nothing beats a failure but a try, right, baby?
This try failed, but you know.
The 7 P's of failure.
And then you're supposed to just like take that core thing like this.
Poor planning
We'll
equals
use this one
piss
so I don't kill
poor
myself.
performance.
Yeah, that's it. So then you're supposed to cut that little weirdo thing off like that. And then you'll have your meat there. And then you're supposed to do these little things. So apparently there's more than one way to skin a cat. Peel it back. None of this works, so my wife is going to have to take care of this because I am totally, but look at that. It's all mushing.
How's it taste?
Oh, it's good. Like pineapple.
That's how you do it, right?
Tastes
there.
just like chicken. Anyway, that video's a friggin' lie. But we're still going to have some good, nice pineapple to eat today. Good thing I got blood pressure medicine because this started getting me going. Anyway, I hate failure, but I still get to eat good stuff. So, bye all.